Hello again, everyone. So this is a gigantic box that I'm going to unbox today from Bihn. I wanted to introduce you all to this company because I really think that they're a great company, and they make so they have travel bags is the majority of their stock that they make. They make all of their bags in Seattle, and they're really high quality, and they have a lot of different storage solutions in these bags. They're really great. They have really great designs as well. Although this isn't necessarily something artsy craftsy, I know a lot of people who do like those things also like bags, so I wanted to introduce them. And they do actually make some bags that you can store stationary items in as well. I may share some that I have from them from previous orders in the future, but for now I wanted to unbox this. And just before I do that really quickly, you will see that I got my I got my little rubber ring here. I think it's actually made out of silicone to replace my ring that was starting to irritate my skin because I think I've developed an allergy to nickel. This is just a temporary ring, but I wanted to point it out because it's actually very big and you'll probably notice it. But I'm going to have this on for a little while, probably until I can get a decent replacement for my regular ring. I just was missing wearing one, so that's what this is for. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take the things out of this box. I might just move this off camera and put the things in front of the camera here. It's just a very big box. Okay. Okay, sorry for the haphazard nature of this unboxing. So this one I'm going to show you really quickly because it is so big, it's not even going to fit on the camera here. So this is a tote bag that you can, what is it called? It is called the Pop Tote. So this bag you can use in a variety of ways. You can push down, you can unzip this and push it down and use it as sort of a grocery bag. Or you can use it as like a picnic bag that you bring with you. I'll put a link down below to this product because it's not coming off very well on the camera because you can't see the whole thing to really adequately see it. I think that you could even use this as a travel bag to carry things along around, because it has a lot of different zippered pockets and everything. Let me just open the bag real quickly so you can see the inside, because I don't think they have a picture of the inside, although, you know, it's just a big cavernous bag. So there's a big open container inside, and then it has little spots on the corner, on each side rather, that you could put an umbrella or a water bottle. Both sides have that. And again, it's kind of hard to see because you can't see the whole structure of the bag. And then right under that, it has a little zippered pouch on each side as well. So, and I think that's pretty much all of the different features of that one. So I'll put that off to the side and then show you the smaller ones, which you can see on the screen. So they always include a little sticker, which you probably can't see very well there. You can hopefully see it better now that I've angled it. Part of the reason why I wanted to profile this business is because like I said, I really believe in them. I think they're a great company. During this time, this actually was an order that I ordered a long time ago, and they were just making masks for a really long time. And they are still selling them occasionally. I think they sell them in batch orders when they're done producing some. They've been donating a lot of masks, which is really great. I've actually purchased a couple of masks from them, and they are really great masks. They fit really well, and they're a little bit more breathable than some other masks I've gotten. So you can just check them out and see. But here are a couple of items that I got, and this is actually relevant. It could be used as a pencil case. I think that's actually how it's sold. You put pens and pencils in here. Let's see, I have a few off camera here. I'll put my little Curados in here and gel pen. So you could just load that up. I actually specifically got this to hold stationary goods in my bags. So I could do that. Or you could also hold knitting accessories. This is a little short for standard size knitting needles, but any of you who knit socks with double pointed needles could put them in here. This particular one comes, I think, in both a clear version, which this is, and then also just one that has a solid canvas like material on this side as well. And these, what I really like about this system is all of the Tom Bihn bags have little loops in them that kind of look like this. They have loops like this, and then you can attach all kinds of fun things to them, little pouches to hold things. It's a great organizing system. They used to have a ringed notebook style type thing that you could put all of your sketching materials and pens and stuff and all that kind of thing. But they no longer carry that. They have a few other options that might be suitable for that. I plan on doing another video about Tom Bihn because I do have some of their pouches that are really good for holding stationary materials or sketching materials. But that one, I actually recently saw it on eBay. Someone was selling one and I got outbid, so I didn't end up getting that. They should bring it back because it seems really popular, even in retirement, but I'm sure they have their reasons for not carrying it anymore. So there's that little pouch. I'm just going to put that off screen now. And then this little guy, they call it a cublet, so it's like a travel cube that you would pack in your bag or a suitcase or something. And all of this seems a little ridiculous right now because no one can travel anywhere, but or at least shouldn't travel anywhere, right? But this, you could store small things in your suitcase, and then once you're at your location, you can put a strap. You can attach a strap on either side. I got a little hand strap. I'll just go ahead and put it here to carry this around, so you can just use it as a wristlet as well. And the colors of their bags vary. They generally have some different colors at different times, just depending on what they order and what they think is popular. They also have some recycled material bags, which is really nice. Let's see, what else? They have really great backpacks. So their backpacks, I'm not going to lie, are pretty pricey. But I think that they are really well made, and if anything ever goes wrong with it, I'm sure they would make it right. Everything that I've ever gotten from them has been super sturdy and held up incredibly well. I've used it for a lot of travel. I have one of their backpacks and a couple of their full-size bags. And the backpack in particular, I have the Daylight bag, if you ever go look on their website. And that is super lightweight. I think some travel watercolor sketchers have focused on that bag as being really great for just traveling light, and you can put all your materials in the backpack and go. And it's a great backpack. I would profile it on the channel, but I don't think that it would really be appropriate given my format, just because you're not going to be able to see the whole thing. So I'm going to open this real quick and show you what's inside. I think this might just be one empty container in here, so it's not going to be too exciting. Yes, there are no zippered pockets in here. But like I said, I will focus on some other little pouches that are more appropriate for travel, stationary setups, and that sort of thing in the future. But for now, I just really wanted to introduce the company, and so you can check them out. They're really great. Okay, I think that's it for today. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.